Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to withdraw crypto from Bitget to an external Web3 wallet using the mobile app. I'll walk you through the whole process and point out the important safety tips so your transfer goes smoothly. First, open the Bitget app and log into your account. Tap the wallet icon on the right side of the menu bar to open your assets view, then choose Withdraw. Select the coin you want to send. In this example, I'm using USDT. When the app asks whether you want an internal withdrawal or an on-chain withdrawal, pick on-chain withdrawal because you're sending to an external wallet. Next, you'll choose the blockchain network. This is critical. Make sure the network you pick on Bitget exactly matches the network supported by your receiving wallet. Sending USDT on the wrong chain can lead to permanent loss, so double-check that both sides use the same network. For example, BNB chain, Ethereum, Tron, etc. Now, get your receiving address from your Web3 wallet. Open the wallet app, tap Receive, select the same asset and network you chose in Bitget, and copy the address or scan the QR code. Some wallets let Bitget send directly with a built-in function, but even then, verify the address on both apps. Paste the address into the recipient field in Bitget. If the token requires a memo, tag, or destination tag, some exchanges and certain chains do, make sure you include it exactly as shown by your wallet. Missing that can cause funds to be lost or need a manual recovery process. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, you'll pay a gas or network fee for the transaction, so factor that into the amount you send. It's a good practice to leave a small buffer so you don't accidentally underfund the transaction because of fees. Before you hit withdraw, take a slow, final check. Confirm the token type, the chain, the full receiving address, and any memo or tag fields. Check that you're not sending from a smart contract token to a wallet that doesn't support it. If anything looks off, stop and verify. Once a blockchain transfer is broadcast, it usually can't be reversed. Authenticate the withdrawal using whatever Bitget security requires: password, SMS, or email code, and your 2FA if you have it enabled. If 2FA isn't enabled, set it up now. It greatly reduces the risk of unauthorized withdrawals. If this is the first time you're sending to that wallet or you're using a new network, do a small test transaction first. Send a tiny amount, wait for the transaction to confirm, and verify the funds arrived in your Web3 wallet. Once the test succeeds, send the full amount. After confirming the withdrawal in the app, you can track the transaction status. Bitget will show the withdrawal as processing, and you can copy the TX ID to view confirmations on a blockchain explorer for the network you used. Different networks have different confirmation times. Some are almost instant, others take a few minutes or longer. A few extra tips. Choose the chain that gives you the best trade-off between cost and compatibility. Check withdrawal limits and daily caps in your account. Be aware of any minimum withdrawal amounts and keep an eye on network congestion because fees and times can spike. If you ever need help, Bitget support and your wallet provider can assist, but support can't always recover funds sent to the wrong chain or address. That's it, how to safely withdraw crypto from Bitget to an external Web3 wallet using the mobile app. If this walkthrough helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more crypto how-tos and security tips. See you next time.